Get to know Fairmate, a prominent Indian multinational company known for its expertise in manufacturing construction chemicals. Their commitment to delivering cost-effective solutions and unparalleled services has set them apart in the global market. Fairmate introduces Safecore EPF. It is a 3-pack, high-build, solvent epoxy coating for concrete substrates. It provides a hard-wearing, aesthetic finish with good resistance to chemical attack. Safecore EPF is used in industrial floors, assembly areas, workshops, soft drink production, breweries, food processing units, dairies, pharmaceutical units, etc. Advantages of Safecore EPF. Easily applied on dry or damp surfaces. Can be used on concrete floors, walls, etc. Excellent waterproofing characteristics. Gives impervious finish and ensures dust-proof flow. For more information about product, please call toll-free 1-8001-234534 or visit us at www.fairmate.com.